Dear viewers, subscribers, budding nursing and paramedical professionals, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Welcome back to your own channel, Advanced Nursing Theory and Practice. Today we are back again with the subject of Nursing Foundation, and today's topic for discussion is State Nursing Council, and this will be the part second of Regulatory Bodies in Nursing series, and this topic will be covered by me. So we must know what State Nursing Council is and how does it function. First of all, we must know that registration in the State Nursing Council is very necessary or indispensable for each and every nursing professional. So, it is must or a precondition for each and every professional nurse to get registered from a State Nursing Council. Registration councils are usually functional in each and every state of India and in all union territories as well. These state nursing councils are approved by respective governments and are affiliated to Indian Nursing Council. In state nursing councils, we see that they usually have a register on which the names, phone numbers, or we can say contact addresses of professional nurses are maintained. And these registers are meant to keep a track record of each and every nursing professional. These names are also put on the register maintained by Indian Nursing Council through NRTS that has been recently launched. So we can say nurses, midwives, auxiliary nurses and midwives and health visitors are registered via state nursing councils and are affiliated to Indian Nursing Council. All the degree holding nurses, or we can say all the diploma or degree holding nurses, have to get the registration from respective state nursing councils. So, what is the function of state nursing council? Number first is to recognize officially and inspect schools of nursing in their states. We can say that state nursing councils has the control over schools and colleges that are functioning within their jurisdiction. Then number next is to conduct examination for various courses, be it A&M course, GNM course, BSc nursing course, etc. Then they have to prescribe rules of conduct and take disciplinary action against those who do not abide rules and regulations of the state nursing council. Then they have to maintain registers of graduate nurses. Then nurses holding degree in nursing, we can say postgraduate nursing degree or PhD or MPhil nursing degree. Then they have to keep a register separately for A&M, multipurpose workers, health visitors, and nurses and midwives. The Nurses Council, or we can say the State Nursing Council, is actually an independent body that works under the guidance of government, under its registrar, or we can say president, and is approved by state or union territory government or central government. So, who are the members of this State Nursing Council? Number first is the registrar, who usually is a nurse, but in case of Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir, we here have medico-dominated nursing profession, and whereby we see that major, or we can say maximum of the posts that are actually for the nursing professionals are occupied by medicos. So here we have a medical officer who is presiding as a registrar of Jammu and Kashmir Nursing Council. Then we have deputy registrar who is also a nurse, usually accountant and other clerical staffs, peons to help in day-to-day work. Then we have president and vice president who are elected by the members of the council, and these members are from the nursing colleges and eminent nursing professionals. So we must know what are the functions of registrar of state nursing councils. Number first is to draw a program for examination for various types of educational programs at all centers at the same time. So examination, its conduct, then notification of examination, then issuance of roll number slips, then administration of examination centers, etc., is everything in the hands of registrar. Then to prepare a time schedule for written and practical examinations, to prepare roll number sheets of students and send them to various examination centers. So we have already discussed it that registrar has to prepare all these things, or necessary arrangements are to be done by registrar. Then next is to prepare examination results and communicate the results to concerned institutions. So once the answer sheets are evaluated by the evaluators, the result is declared, and same is communicated to candidates and colleges or schools for needful. Then to prepare the diploma certificates, registration certificates of the nursing professionals who have qualified. So registration certificates are to be issued along with the signature of registrar or preparing agent, or we can say the clerk, who is dealing assistant of the said course like GNM, like BSc nursing, or ANM, or health visitors. So these were the functions of state registrar of state nursing council. So this was all about state nursing council, the registrar functions. Thank you for being with us. Do not forget to share, subscribe, and support your own channel. Your suggestions and valuable comments are welcome at Abin Habib 3.